I learned the secret in a restaurant: juicy, delicious chicken. For this recipe, we are going to need a whole chicken. I've just cut the back open like this, and then we're going to separate it just like this and crack the back. Now I'm just going to be using a rolling pin here to help pound that chicken down. It's important that you break the chicken's bones just like this. Now the size of the chicken is completely optional. Use whatever you have access to. And now we're going to season all this meat. Let's start by sprinkling some salt on top, just like this. We're also going to season with some black pepper, and then go ahead and flip it over and repeat the process. Next up, in a saucepan here, we're going to turn the heat on to medium. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of butter and melt that butter well. We're now going to add 3 pieces of garlic that I've sliced, and go ahead and saute that garlic in the melted butter. And after it's sauteed for a bit, we're going to remove the garlic from the butter and set aside. Now remove the garlic, but don't discard it because we're still going to need it. All right, the next step is to take that whole chicken and add it right into the pan like this. Add in that chicken, and we're going to cook this over medium heat. After a few minutes, go ahead and turn that chicken over so we can cook the other side. Do this carefully, don't burn yourself. Now go ahead and cook it on the other side, and after a few minutes here, our chicken is cooked. Remove the chicken from the pan and place it on a board. We're going to set the chicken aside and continue with our recipe. So the next step here is preparing our sauce. In a bowl here, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, along with 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and 2 tablespoons of mustard. We're also going to add some paprika. 1 spoonful is enough, along with some salt for seasoning. I'm going to finish with some parsley to taste. And now just mix all of these ingredients together. I'm telling you, this sauce is perfect. Now we're going to pour that sauce all over the cooked chicken, just like this. We want to spread it well all over the chicken. And go ahead and turn that chicken over and repeat the process. I'm telling you, this sauce is going to make for such tasty chicken. All right, to finish up, let's add some onions to a sheet of aluminum foil. Then we're going to add the chicken meat right on top of those onions, just like this. And now just go ahead and close up that aluminum foil and cover the chicken. The aluminum foil here is going to be used to cook the chicken all the way through. Carefully place that chicken to your pan, just like this, and we're going to let it cook for 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and place a cover to speed up the cooking process, and we're going to cook this over a medium heat. After 30 minutes, our chicken is ready. Let's see if our recipe worked. Go ahead and open up that aluminum foil. Do it carefully. It's really hot. You do not want to burn yourself. And look how delicious this is. My mouth is watering. It smells so good. Go ahead and put your chicken on a board, and we're going to cut it into smaller pieces to serve. I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. And that chicken just looks so good, so juicy. And I suggest that you leave your chicken to rest for 5 minutes because it will get even juicier and even tastier. And now just call your family over to try it. Serve your meat with rice and salad. Bon appetit!